Hi, join me for today's no equipment, beginner friendly, no repetition, full body workout. It will take literally 10 minutes. We will do a quick warm up, then 2 exercises for lower body, 2 exercises for our upper body, a quick cardio burst, 1 finisher, and a cool down. Let's start with a warm up.
If you're starting training from scratch or getting back after a long break, I made this 12-step program just for you. It will help you rebuild strength, improve endurance, and feel confident in your body again. Try today, no confusion, no burnout, just results.
Starting first exercise is 20 jumping jacks. If you don't want to do jumps, you can do a low impact alternative, just a step jack instead of jumping. Let's go. 3, 4. Great job. The second part of the warm-up is side lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next one is arm swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and another side. The warm-up is complete. The next exercise is squat to calf raise. Let's do a squat and raise here. Squat and raise. Let's do 12 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job. The next one is reverse lunges. Let's do 12 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Amazing, we're done with our lower body. The next exercise is the push-ups. You can either do incline push-ups with a box, a chair, or a bench. The second option is knee push-ups, like this. Or if you're feeling strong enough today, let's do complete push-ups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And The second and last part of our upper body work will be just shoulder circles. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and backwards. Great job. We're almost done. We will do a quick cardio burst, 20 seconds of squat jacks. If you want to do a low impact version, just do the steps. If you want to make it harder, you can use a band and make it a banded lateral walk. But if you can do jumps, let's do squat jacks together with me. 20 seconds of squat jacks and 10 seconds rest. Let's go. Great job. Let's do 10 seconds rest and do another round of squat jacks. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's take rest for 10 seconds and do the last round of squat jacks. Let's go. Amazing. And the last thing we will do before the cool down is going to be a Russian twist, 20 reps. The faster you do it, the harder. So start slow. Amazing. You did it. I'm very proud of you for doing this workout. As a cool down, let's do pigeon pose, 30 seconds or 1 minute each side.